All right, so this is the start of this beautiful week, and I'm here with Tommy again. Gonna show you what I've done and what I can learn from this week, etc. Okay, so as always, we start with the results. How is this week looking so far? And then we get into more nitty gritty details. All right, let's see. We have okay, as you can see, my screen. Tommy, can you also see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we have around $1,400 profit so far this month, but the month just started, so that's good. And yeah, that turns out to be somewhere probably around $20. Sorry, not 20, but $200 a day, I guess, something like that, which is okay. I mean, it's not bad, but it's not even close to what I would count as great. Anyways, so let's see what I've done. What did I achieve last week? Yeah, the best thing I did was I learned that in any case I can work. I was in the yoga trip. I finished that trip. That was like basically took most of my time last week, so I didn't get that much done. I had like 1 hour, 2 hours a day. So I learned that I can work deeply in a train, in a bus, if I'm tired. As soon as I get into the task, that is the hardest part. The rest should be usually easy. So that's good. I want to do the Cyprus thing, but it's gonna become complicated because they're not gonna give me the personal residency. So I don't know. Maybe I set up the company. So I've been researching that. Moved into the new apartment, and yeah, I have a person testing the app now more seriously. I want to help others publish books. I have done some negation and harvesting with the new Amazon Ads API, which is the biggest focus of this week and next week. And yeah, discovered the ads platform that's helping me also with that. Organized all campaigns into portfolios with the Amazon Ads API. Amazing. Mwah. Now I can see the data more clearly. That's that. And let's see, where did I spend time that was not useful? Yeah, I set up the Wi-Fi here for 4.5 hours. Completely unnecessary. I wasted my time. That was stupid. That was completely stupid. I learned my lesson. Will not do that again. Don't use my time for things that don't generate revenue. It's just so stupid. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so for next week, I'm gonna get the ads thing running. That's the biggest important thing. And I'm gonna start optimizing the books better and better. So that's that. And having connected the Amazon Ads API and understanding how everything should look from the book level to the search term level campaign, and then controlling my changes, knowing what I did, what changed, what happened. So these are like really cool things that I'm working on. Anyways, that's it for now. The yoga trip was amazing. I met the guru. I bowed to the guru, and that was hard to do, to break the ego. But finally, I did. And I do have a cute picture also, but I don't know if I can find it. But the guru was very cool. So, yeah, that's it for now. Any questions, Tommy?
What's your plan with the ads API stuff?
I want to know what are my duds and what are my gems. Upgrade the gems, spend more money on those, remove the duds. Because I feel like it doesn't matter who I hire, the thing that I want in my mind, it needs to be automated, and I need to have clear visibility, clear reporting, great, amazing reporting, which no one does. So that's the vision, and if it can save me $1,000, $2,000 a month, because I'm spending a lot, then it's good. That's the overall vision, let's say. Yeah.
And what's your plan for next week?
Keep working on that, and today I already I already adjusted a lot of things with data, knowing that these campaigns are converting better at top of search, and those placements were not adjusted ever. So no one was looking into them, right? So I'm gonna now, I have that logged. I'm gonna test it next week, and then I don't know. Maybe I should not check the last 5 days and then check 1 week, but before the last 5 days. So then maybe we're getting better data. However, it just depends also how much data we have, right? Maybe once a month would be enough to programmatically go through. Maybe it's too little, wasting a lot of money. But yeah, this thing I haven't figured out yet how often I wanna check it, you know. So, but anyways, it's to get this thing up and running, launch some new books myself with this platform and the AI stuff that I'm building, because then I again get better visibility, and I know the ads are being taken care of better. So that would be great. So that's the focus. Then right after I get this thing up and running, of course it's gonna take a few weeks to test it. The next thing after this would be to keep publishing, do some research for my cookbooks, because I have a lot of cookbooks already out, and the ladies who are working on those they're really good. So they, like, I gave her like 4 books to do and she finished all, and now I need to do more research to see what more topics we should do. And it's high quality work, the formatting is nice. I have a lot of cookbook videos now being released onto my YouTube channel, which I'll show you later, Tommy. But so yeah, I want to see how it goes first, because I'm gonna spend lots of money on those videos. So I need to see, is it actually making a difference? So it might be like 3-4 months where I don't do videos, just to see what's the effect, right? So that, but anyways, for 3 books I think is good. For 3 books making videos, and 3 cookbooks that are doing really well, right? So that's that. And then I need to do some Christmas books. I need to also do some audiobooks. But again, one at a time, right? I don't want to confuse myself too much. Just get the ads thing
Yeah.
done, maybe, or maybe get the cookbook research done so that she can get started working, and then I can go back to the ads thing. If it's gonna take like 3-4 hours, maybe that would be higher leverage actually to get her started. And then
And
yeah.
your revenues are up as well, right? And the profits are up. Like, what did you do to change that?
I think it's just the new releases. Or are you stating that it changed, or are you asking if it changed, if my revenue changed?
I remember last time you showed me it was like it's much better now, right?
I think so, yeah. I think so.
Yeah.
I think we are up, but I believe it's the new books. Bunch of
Right.
new launches. I'll show you later which books, but yeah, also raise prices.
Mm.
So yeah, I think that's basically it. New good books, launches. Some of them failed, but a few ones are carrying through. Yeah, man, I'm excited for Christmas. It's gonna be interesting because I have lots of gift books, so that's gonna need some financing too. But yeah, that's that. I would say one step at a time, because I want to get the ads thing completely going, but I also want to have the next 10 cookbooks planned so that she can just keep working, right? And for me, it's probably gonna take like 4 hours, because these cookbooks, like, it was really hard to make the first one, but now I've made like 7 or 8, so it probably won't take me that much time, and it's quite high leverage. The formatting is all automated. The automated, I mean, like, I have the system and the SOPs and the people. So yeah, do that research, and then the Christmas books I also want to give completely out to my VA, because he's smart and I want him to work, right? So I think I need to do some research there and teach him what to do so that he can just start creating these books, you know? So that's the idea. And then I would have the psychology books. Actually, I have someone else who could do the series on that. I probably need to be involved, but that's that. Then cookbooks, psychology books, Christmas books, and then potentially, what was it more? Cookbooks, psychology books, Christmas books. Oh yeah, and then some Christian books, another type of Christian books that I need to do.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a little bit a lot. Yeah.
What do you think? Are you using ad labs? I heard people talking about ad labs.
Yeah, I've started like digging into it. I think it's a good thing to use. So I'm testing it out.
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I started building my thing already before, but I believe some things that Ads Labs has can be useful. So let's see. Because it's basically an Amazon API and a place to store your data, which is good. But yeah, I think we can talk about that more later once we know what it can do and how useful it can be. Yeah. I also have a date later today, so I'm excited. So it's gonna be nice. It's the third date. Third.
Oh, cool, man.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it for today. Tommy, anything else? I don't know what's the time.
No. No.
Okay, good. Yeah, I guess next week will be more precise updates because yeah, I didn't have that much working hours this last week. Just came back yesterday, was traveling a bunch of times. But anyways, see you beautiful guys later, and yeah, talk soon. Bye bye.